Hello, everybody. My name is Melissa Palmer from Floor and Flowers. Today, thank you for coming and watching this lovely little Zoom class that we have. It's really a demo class. I'm hoping that as we go along, that you will learn different little tricks of the trade and how to do an arrangement really nicely and professionally. I am a naturalistic type of floral designer. I'm not a florist. So you'll see some of my arrangements are very different and more nature based. So getting started, I have a vessel here and I'm using Oasis. Make an armature out of curly willow. Here, when you do an arrangement, make sure when your vessel, measure your vessel by eye and go one up or 1 1/2 to make it look correct. No higher, and sometimes you can do it lower and really span out, but normally it's the vessel height and 1/2. So right about here. I mean, look at that. It's kind of crazy, right? How am I going to do something like that and make it look right? It does. So that's one little trick as we get started. The second trick is I have little pieces of sticks. These are actually ones that I got from work, but they're all pre-made and they're little pieces of sticks. You can use any kind of sticks, break the sticks. Use your bind wire and twist them around to make a garland. This garland is fun to make. See how you just twist it around very easily, just like that. Just twist it around, and you can use this on your vessel for fun. So this is about as much greenery, and actually this, as you can see, this, it looks just nice like that, right? So this is about all the greenery I want to do for this arrangement. But as you see, do you see the tendrils coming out? I'm hoping you can see them. They're very, now I'm going to go for some color. I have these beautiful peonies. Aren't they gorgeous? I love how many colors you can get. And I don't waste blooms. I always save. I'm a big proponent in actual bedside arrangements. Anything that's left over, I tend to keep and put. Just another intriguing little thing that you can do. I love this glue because it does dry very quickly. Okay. Right? Mm-hmm. And you can make a couple of them. And, you know, it's fun. Something a little differently and making something very unique to yourself. One more thing. I have a dehydrator, ladies. I love it. They're very inexpensive. But I actually dehydrate some oranges, and I've actually put orange slices in the arrangement. It looks very nice. I'm going to just set them in here, but you can just put a little wire on them and put them in your arrangement. It's cool. I know, right? It's like, what do you need to do that for? It's just fun.